The 2026 Ford GT represents the pinnacle of American automotive engineering and performance, a car that continues to honor its Le Mans winning legacy while pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics, materials science, and powertrain technology. As the final chapter in the limited production Ford GT saga, the 2026 model stands as an elite supercar with a focus on speed, precision, and exclusivity. It is not mass-produced, each car is built in limited numbers with bespoke attention, and it is typically offered to selected clients. The price of the 2026 Ford GT starts at around $550,000, though actual transaction prices often rise significantly due to rarity, customization options, and collector demand. Under the carbon fiber skin of the 2026 Ford GT lies a mid-mounted 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6 engine, a powerplant derived from Ford's endurance racing program. While many exotic cars rely on naturally aspirated V10s or V12s, Ford engineered this V6 to deliver performance that defies expectations. The engine produces around 660 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque, sent to the rear wheels through a lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This drivetrain allows the GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds and reach a top speed of approximately 216 miles per hour. Turbo lag is virtually non-existent, and the torque delivery is broad and immediate, giving the car tremendous mid-range pull and responsiveness on both road and track. Fuel economy is hardly the focus for a hyper-performance car like the Ford GT, but the 2026 model manages respectable efficiency given its output and aerodynamic drag. It is rated at approximately 12 mpg in the city and 18 mpg on the highway, with a combined figure of around 14 mpg. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis and active aerodynamic elements help improve airflow and reduce fuel waste during steady-state cruising. The engine includes advanced direct and port fuel injection, variable valve timing, and optimized boost management, which enhance combustion efficiency while maximizing performance. The exterior design of the 2026 Ford GT is not merely aesthetic but a result of wind tunnel refinement and functional aero principles. Every curve, vent, and channel serves a purpose, managing airflow for cooling, downforce, and speed. The car features an adjustable rear wing that changes its angle and height based on speed and driving mode. Flying buttresses at the rear connect the roof to the fenders and channel air into the engine bay, reducing drag and cooling the powertrain. The low stance, sharp front splitter, wide diffuser, and center exit exhaust all work together to ensure aerodynamic stability even at high speeds. The doors swing upward in dramatic butterfly fashion, giving access to the minimalist yet purposeful cockpit. Inside, the cabin is stripped of unnecessary luxury in favor of a focused, race-bred driving environment. Every surface is crafted from carbon fiber, alcantara, or lightweight aluminum. The seats are fixed directly to the monocoque, with adjustable pedal box and steering column to accommodate different drivers. The steering wheel is inspired by Formula One design, integrating controls for drive mode selection, suspension settings, and telemetry access. A fully digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while a small, centrally mounted touchscreen offers infotainment basics. Noise insulation is minimal. The engine, road, and aerodynamic feedback are integral to the driving experience. There are no rear seats and limited cargo space, as the vehicle is meant purely for performance and exclusivity. Driving the 2026 Ford GT is a unique experience even among supercars. The chassis tuning is razor-sharp, aided by an advanced active suspension system that uses pushrod-actuated torsion bars and adaptive dampers to respond instantly to changing road conditions. The suspension can adjust ride height automatically, lowering the car in track mode to increase downforce and stiffness. The electronic stability control and traction systems are finely calibrated, allowing experienced drivers to push the car to its limits while maintaining safety. Carbon ceramic Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power with fade resistance even under heavy track use. The steering is electrically assisted but tuned for maximum feedback and precision, allowing the driver to feel every input from the tires. The car includes several driving modes including normal, wet, sport, track, and V-Max. Each mode adjusts throttle mapping, shift behavior, suspension stiffness, ride height, aero configuration, and exhaust sound. In VMAX mode, the car assumes its most aerodynamic stance with minimal drag to achieve maximum top speed. Track mode, on the other hand, stiffens everything, drops the car to its lowest ride height, fully extends the rear wing, and sharpens the drivetrain for immediate response. The result is a track weapon that remains controllable and confidence-inspiring at the limit. While the Ford GT does not prioritize practicality or daily comfort, it does include some modern tech features such as Bluetooth connectivity, a modest audio system, rear-view camera, keyless entry, and push-button start. However, everything inside the car reminds the driver that this is a race-derived machine, not a plush grand tourer. It is firm, loud, low to the ground, and intentionally uncompromising. That is the core appeal of the GT. It delivers a purist, motorsport-oriented driving experience few other road-legal cars can match. The 2026 Ford GT marks the culmination of Ford's modern supercar program, a swan song to one of the most celebrated nameplates in automotive history. Built in limited numbers and featuring cutting-edge engineering from top to bottom, the GT is more than just a fast car. It is a technical masterpiece, a collector's gem, and a symbol of American performance innovation. Whether admired for its design, revered for its engineering, or driven for its adrenaline, the Ford GT stands among the greatest supercars of its time.